Again, I'm going to show you cross-site scripting on live website. I picked these three websites. I think G4AW dot space office dot nl. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, I'll first open this website. It's an NL website. It's the official NCSC website. See this logo? After the finding, I'm going to report on this website. So let's intercept is on. I'll spider this. Right click, send to spider. Yes, yes. Intercept is off. Go to target. Find a website there. Right click, spider this host. See. So now you have to sort the URLs having parameter. So double click on parameters. See, only two URLs having parameter. Okay, three. Let's right click, send this to repeater. Oh, this is a post based as well as this is a multi-part cross-site scripting. Multi-part based. Okay. So see, employee count is a parameter name. The value is this. Newsletter is a parameter name. Value is this. Website is a parameter name. Value is this. So like this, telephone is a parameter name. Value is this. Email is a parameter name. Value is this. So let's search. Click on go. I'll search. Let's search for email address. So winter @ okay, see this email address is reflecting email. I will right click, send this to intruder. Go to intruder, positions. First clear this because you have to only attack on that email field. So clear this. Where is email? There is email. Let's select this. Add payloads, load xss.txt, start attack. Now you have to double click on link to sort. Let's pick anyone. Right click, show response in browser. Let's copy this. Let's use this. Okay, it's not executing. No problem. It's not executing. No problem. Go to Bubsuit. Now. Okay, use this one. Right click, show response in browser. Copy this. Okay, it's also not executing. In that case, you can try to build your payload manually, or you can use just on mouse over payload. Right click, show response in browser. Because on mouse over you don't have to check length. Okay, you just execute this. So it's not executing on mouse over. No problem. This the single quote on mouse over, show response in browser. Copy this. Let's execute this now. So again it's not executing. Now I'll just close this. I will make URL encoding of, let's start attack. Now see, let's right click, show response in browser. Check this. What happened? Okay, so see, now we have successfully, it's executed successfully. Why? Because see, they were using what, uh, on mouse over payload. So on mouse, for on mouse over you have to move your mouse. So right click, show response in browser. Let's go there. See this. See, you have to move your mouse on the email field. See this, it's executing. Now yeah, now how to report this? So I'll do right click. So this is a post based, and in post based as well as multi-part. So right click, engagement tools, generate CSRF POC, copy HTML, copy HTML, Okay, let's open a new notepad. Let's save it as a HTML. So let's access POC uh, multi part, save on desktop, save. Let's open this with a browser. Okay, access, open with Firefox. Let's click on submit request. Maybe proxy is off. Why it's not submitting? Let's submit request. Okay, I think let's check. Yeah, it's correctly. Why it's not submitting our request? I will do one more thing. Let's remove proxy for few seconds. I don't know. So it's not submitting our request. So there may be self accesses then. Okay, so see this is post based, but let's convert into change body encoding to post. Let's click on go. Okay, post is also taken. Let's right click show response in browser. No, I have to do there. Okay, right click, send this to repeater, convert into post, right click on go, right click show response in browser, copy this, and let's check response. I think due to okay, I just removed my proxy, no problem. I'll set it again. So okay, now I will move my mouse. Okay, see it's executing post based. Now let's convert post based into CSRF POC. Let's copy HTML. Let's save there. Saved. Now I'll open that with Firefox. Now I'll submit request. Now it's submitting request. Now I'll move a mouse there on the email field. See, it's executing correctly. You can also see, let's alert, yes, where is number? This number. Instead of this, you can give document dot domain there. Okay, so now let's check this. Right click, open with Firefox. Let's submit this, and let's move your mouse to that email field. See, so now how to report? You have to take a screenshot of this. Little screenshots. Done. I took a screenshots. Now I will make a report. Now see how to make a report for post based cross-site scripting. So I'll give vulnerability name, post based XSS. Descriptions, I won't give descriptions. I will give just vulnerable URL. So let's copy vulnerable URL from there. Right click, copy URL. Okay, now vulnerable parameter you have to give. Okay, vulnerable parameter, and the vulnerable parameter was what? Email. So I'll give email, and the payload is this. So I'll copy the payload. Payload is a script or code that used to identify vulnerability. Now how you have to make a section called how to reproduce. See, you got successfully, but you have to tell also the third party where you are reporting this, so they can reproduce this. They will reproduce this and they will confirm your bug. So the first step is, as this is a post based, you need to create a HTML CSRF to trigger XSS. So HTML code is below. So I'll give HTML code there. So the HTML code is this. I'll write copy. Okay, now second, save this as a html.html. Open that HTML. It will trigger XSS. POC. What is the proof of this that you triggered successfully? The screenshot enclosed in attached main. So let's copy this. I made a report correctly. Now I will send a mail. So I'll open gmail.com. I think I have to make one more video because it's took a long time. No problem, okay? I can do for you. So let's open my personal mail address. I hope you won't send a bulk message there. Now, so see, I'm very much see, I done lots of hunting. So I done almost 120. Last I would done 127 times. So I'll call search at the rate ncsc.nl. I'll give subject vulnerability report hashtag 128. Now let's upload some of the screenshot there, like screenshot as well as the POC HTML, and let's send this mail. So this is I shown you the live reporting and live finding for cross-site scripting, multi-part as well as post-based. You can also do this. You can also hit and try like change request method now. So it will convert it as a gate, copy URL. Let's open this and let's see it's executing or not. Okay, now move your mouse to the email field. So it's not executing, yes. So gate based it's not executing, but post based it's executing. So likewise you have to find cross-site scripting. I hope it's clear to you now. I will make one more video or one more tutorial on few websites. On the left, these websites. What I left? How many websites left are? Okay, this website. It's these two websites live, and I will report live. So yes, if you will have any difficulties, you can ask me on the discussions QA sessions.